Where do you work?
I work at a school.
How do you commute to work?
I commute by bus.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is David.
Why do you enjoy reading?
I enjoy reading because it relaxes me.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on February 5th.
What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
Where do you like to go on vacation?
I like to go to Thailand.
How do you stay fit?
I stay fit by exercising regularly.
Why is English important to you?
English is important to me for communication.
Is it hot outside?
Yes, it is hot.
Do you play video?
Games? No, I don't play video games.
Does he like pizza?
Yes, he likes pizza.
Are they your friends?
Yes, they are my friends.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Is this your car?
Yes, this is my car.
Do you speak Spanish?
No, I don't speak Spanish.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6:30 am.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
How do you relax after a busy day?
I relax by listening to music.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English, Hindi, and French.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel too.
How do you learn English?
I learn English by watching Best English online.